Hi, how are
What's your
you?
name?
My name is Spark.
Okay. My name is Meli. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Bhutan, but currently I'm in India.
You're from where?
Bhutan,
Bhutan?
yeah, Bhutan. It's in South Asia. It's a country in South Asia.
Oh my God.
You
I
don't know?
literally never heard of it.
Uh,
Okay. So, uh, why did you move to India?
I'm studying here in India.
Okay, I found it. Bhutan.
Yeah,
Literally the first time I'm hearing of this.
seriously.
Crazy. Where in India are you?
I'm in Bangalore.
Okay. When did you go there?
It's been uh, almost 2 years now.
2 years?
Yeah, 2 years.
Okay. And are you going to go back to Bhutan?
Yeah, but not now. After completion of my studies,
When
I
you
will
will?
be going back. Yeah, and
Oh, you.
because of COVID, like it's a bit difficult to go. Because even if I go now, I have to be in quarantine back in my country, so it will be a bit difficult to stay in a quarantine.
Quarantine.
And then it's riskier to go, right? Because COVID cases are increasing so rapidly in India, and so
Yeah. I guess it's kind of getting better. It's down to like less than half right now,
yeah,
as opposed to like 2 weeks ago.
yeah, exactly.
How long have you been here on Cambly? Ah, new.
Yeah,
Welcome.
I'm new. Yeah, thank you.